Assalamu alaikum. I am ALIF Islam, a student of Chittagong University. Today, I wake up at 8 o'clock. Unfortunately, I missed the campus shuttle, so I could not attend my tuition on time. Then, I went to my tuition house by bus and arrived 1 hour late. On the way to my tuition, an unknown student stopped me and wanted to know about my admission journey. I shared a lot of information with him about my admission process, admission journey, and finally I said to him, do not follow the majority, follow the right way. Do not follow the majority, follow the right way. Then he thanked me and I welcomed him.